Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this space I will be teaching you how to make money online in the crypto space. So today I'll be walking you through on what Defi is and how to use it to make money daily. So we'll start by getting to know what Defi is. So Defi is an acronym for Decentralized Finance. It is one of the fastest growing sectors of the blockchain and cryptocurrency space, with increasing worldwide acceptance. This service allows users to utilize financial services such as borrowing, lending, trading without the interference of our traditional banks. Majority of the DeFi dApps are currently being built on the Ethereum blockchain. So we can say Ethereum is a global open source platform for decentralized application. So in this Ethereum blockchain, it uses smart contracts, which is a programmable contract that allows two parties to set conditions of a transaction without needing to trust anyone for the execution. So, and for this contract execution to take place, there is a fee which is being needed for the transaction to be successful, and that fee is referred to as gas. So in the blockchain there are different types of ecosystem. So what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a network of participants in a blockchain that shares similar objectives and processes. So let's go through and see the different types of ecosystem we have in the blockchain. So by this I will be making use of my desk screener using my MetaMask. So just search through MetaMask. You open your MetaMask. Here is it now. So let's wait for it to come up. MetaMask is a very wonderful tool if you must be successful in this space. So you click here and go to the browser. Now on the browser, click on the search button and type Dex Screener. So if you type the Dex Screener and search for it, dexscreener.com, it will take you to this page to bring it here. Now in this page, what you will do is to click on this explore. Let's allow it to load. I'm having a little network issues here, so let me see. Let us allow it to load. It's coming up. So this is how the screener looks like. It is a wonderful tool to analyze your coins. So go to Explorer. On Explorer, you will see whitelist, multi-chart, trend. Here in this trend, you will see the crypto assets that are trending. So new pairs, these are newly added pairs within 24 hours. The top gainers and losers. Now here is the first ecosystem, which is Ethereum. Now the next ecosystem is BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain. Then the next ecosystem is Polygon. The next ecosystem after it is Avalanche. We have Phantom, we have Harmony, we have Kronos, we have Osmosis, Aurora, Moonriver, Moonbeam, Metis ecosystem, Arbitrum, Optimism, Heiko, Oasis, Asta. We have a lot of ecosystem. So inside this ecosystem, we still have some crypto assets. Okay, let's go to the Binance ecosystem as an example. If you open the Binance ecosystem, let it come up. If you open the Binance ecosystem, you see a lot of assets, a lot of coins that are being embedded in this system. So all together, you have your AMT, your cake, GST, all of them are under Binance ecosystem. So if you still go back and go to Ethereum and go to your Ethereum, you also see similar projects on the Ethereum ecosystem. So all this ecosystem uses similar processes to execute their contracts. So you can buy them using one particular process and also sell them using same process. So all these ones are built on Ethereum ecosystem. So that's it for the types of ecosystem and how we can use them. So please, in the next video I'll be telling you how to make on-chain analysis on how to pick a particular token or coin and make research on them and see how profitable it will be. So to motivate us, kindly like, subscribe and comment if you have a question, and I will be there to attend to them all. Thank you.